मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान पणजे 23 वर्सां प्रतिनिधी आसून कांयच पणजेकारांच्यो समस्या सोडूंक ना म्हण काँग्रेसीन शेनवारा परत एकदा आरोप केला. काँग्रेस हाऊसात घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेत काँग्रेस प्रवक्ते यतीश नायकान मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या अपेशाचो पाडो वाचलो. IDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
Now, the incumbent BJP candidate, who is the sitting Chief Minister of the state, has been an MLA in Panjim, from Panjim constituency, for the last 23 years. For a short time of about 2 years, there was another person whom he put as an MLA. But by and large, for 20 years odd, it has been the incumbent BJP candidate and the sitting Chief Minister as BJP MLA in the capital city of Panjim. In these 23 years, the issues of Panjim have remained the same. The issues of Panjim have been kept unsolved for the last 23 years. And the issues of Panjim have been neglected for the last 23 years. Flooding of Panjim during monsoons. Every monsoon, Panjim witnesses flooding. But nothing has been done in spite of it being under BJP MLA-ship for the last 23 years, out of which for about 3 stints, this incumbent MLA, who is a sitting Chief Minister, has been a Chief Minister in the past. But Panjim has been waterlogging every monsoon season. Santines Creek is crying for attention. 23 years have passed. The creek has not been addressed. The creek has not been rejuvenated. The creek has not been worked upon the way it should have been worked upon. No attention has been paid.